Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll teach you how to export grid or GridView to Excel using jQuery in ASP.NET MVC. So let's start. So the very first thing, I'll open Solution Explorer. Now I am showing you the scripts folder in the project. As you can see, it has the jQuery table to Excel plugin, which will be used to exporting the grid view to Excel. Now let's move to the controller. Inside this action method, we'll be making use of entity framework for fetching the data from the database table. If you need to know the details of how to use entity framework in ASP.NET MVC, please refer to the video on the right hand side. Hence, I'll not go into the explanation part. So as you can see, I am creating an object of customers entities class. This name is the name of the web.config connection string. The same name is used for the class of the entity framework data model. Now inside the view function, as you can see, I am fetching the data from the customers collection of the entity framework. Now let's move to the view. Inside the view, in the very first line, as you can see, I am now creating the model to a collection instead of a single object. So I am making it as enumerable so that the view understands the data which will be sent to it will be a collection and not a single object. As you can see, I am now creating an HTML table. Now this is the fixed section, that is the header row of our table. So here I am making use of th element, which is the header element of the table, and I'll be creating 3 columns: customer ID, name and country. Now as you can see, I am using Razor syntax and I am making use of for each loop. So the loop will be run over the model. As you already know that we have declared our model as a enumerable collection. Now inside the for each loop, I am creating a table row, and each table row will have 3 fields. Here I am making use of Razor syntax and I am specifying the field name which will be displayed here. So as you can see, our table is also ready. Now we'll start the second part, which is exporting the HTML table to Excel. So now I am adding a button. On the click of this button, the HTML table will be exported to Excel. Now I am inheriting 2 JavaScript libraries. The first one is jQuery and the second one is Table to Excel jQuery plugin. Now I am adding script tags, within which we'll write the code to export the table to Excel. Now I am assigning a click event handler to the button using jQuery. Now I am referencing the table using jQuery selector. Next I am applying the jQuery table to Excel plugin to the HTML table. Now I am making use of a property called file name of the table to Excel plugin. It is used to set the file name of the Excel file which will be downloaded. So that's it, the plugin has been applied. Now we can run the code and check it. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you that an article has already been posted on this topic. The link for the article and the code sample are available in the description. Also, if you need any further help, feel free to ask on forums. The link for the forum is also available in the description. Finally, I would like to request you to please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. As you can see, the data from the database has been successfully fetched and also being displayed in the HTML table. Now I'm clicking the export button. As you can see, the browser is showing the option to save the file. The HTML table has been exported to Excel successfully. So with this, we come to the end of this video. Today we learned how to export grid or GridView to Excel using jQuery in ASP.NET MVC. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon. Goodbye.